So we're looking at various things related to linear regression. We're going to go into stat edit. Notice the X data is in list 1, the Y data is in list 2, and then we'll second quit out of this. I want to go and make sure the stat plot's turned on. Notice plot 1 is turned on, but let's go on and press enter and go in here. We want to look at a scatter plot, and you can see under type that the scatter plot has actually been selected. We'll check the window here. What I want to do is reset the window X and Y axis wise to match up with the data. And then just press graph, and there's our scatter plot of our data. We can do second quit from that. Go back into stat. We'll go into calc. And what we'll do, instead of picking option 4, that is linear regression of AX plus B form, A is the slope and B is the y-intercept, we're going to go down to something that matches up the statistics textbook. Option 8, linear regression A plus BX, where B is the slope and A is the y-intercept. And our X list is list 1, our Y list is list 2. We don't want anything in freak list, we'll just calculate. And here's our regression equation in the form y equals a plus bx, and you can see the values for a and b. Now what we'll also do is press the vars key and go to option number 5, statistics. And at the very top we'll arrow to the right to equation, and you can see the different things that are available here. We're interested in option 7 and option 8. Option 7 is the correlation coefficient. Let's just press enter and enter again. So it's a fairly high positive linear correlation there. Rather than go back in and pick r squared coefficient of variation, we'll just press the x squared key and square our previous answer. It's approximately 90%. Another thing that we can do once that regression equation has been calculated is actually graph the equation on top of the scatter plot. So all we have to do is press y equals, and we'll hit the vars key. So we're press 5. We want EQ and the regression equation. Just press enter, and it actually enters the equation that we stored. And then you can press graph, and it'll actually graph that line, the regression line, on top of the scatter plots that we looked at.